Stop wasting time writing emails. This AI can do it in seconds. Just type in what you need, like a professional email to reschedule a meeting, and watch how fast it works. In under 10 seconds, it generates a polished, professional email that's ready to send. No more staring at a blank screen. Let AI handle it. Try it today and thank me later. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget the bell to get notifications for future content. Leave a comment on what you would like to see and learn.